Hello, I'm Isaac Anisi. I'd like just to give some specific answer regarding my assignment. So, what specific thing this company, Facebook and Google know about me is all information that has been filled when I asked it to open my account. So information regard my birth date, and others, and the information that I for Facebook that I was published to my private life is what Google also regarding my mail. I think all communications sent mail and received mail they are keeping in their server, and then today if they want to track me they can easily find all informations regarding me. So in the question two, to know what this company think they know about me, that I think is true. I think all of me is true that company can expect to know about me is true, because my Facebook, for instance, all today maybe I can have some restrict, and I say that this information or this post, this picture I cannot share to my I cannot post, but emails, sensible email for Google is already the same, the unique way that I can send and receive my email, and to know if I want to share with someone my account number. Yeah, I think this company knows more thing about me. I'm not out of monitoring of Facebook and Google. So the surprise is also when I'm using different devices for Google, for YouTube, for instance, when I'm trying to type a subject, if the last subject that I typed in Google in YouTube Motors, when I'm connected to other devices, it will show me the latest research that I used for Google, for YouTube also, because YouTube is a frame of Google. I think this information is capt is is used, and to is very more surprised to know that today the development of data exploration, data analysis, also information regarding me is saved in Google's and Facebook servers. This is the what I want to explain regarding what Google and Facebook knows about me. Thank you very much.